Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today, I hope to guide you around some of the subtleties of everyday British life. We are, in general, very polite and reserved people, so you might not realise when you've done something that isn't customary in Britain. So hopefully this video will guide you on your way. These are 12 things you should not do in Great Britain. Here we go. Number 1. Do not drive on the right-hand side of the road. We're only one of 4 nations in Europe to drive on the left. This is a crucial one, so don't forget it. Number 2. Do not forget the importance of the word sorry. We're a polite nation, so the word sorry can be used in many circumstances outside of just being culpable. It can get you out of so many situations, so don't be afraid to overuse it. I'm sorry. That's okay. Number 3. I'm so sorry. Do not be late. Maybe this is an obvious one to me, but being late is not accepted for friends, family, or colleagues. And if you are, be prepared to deploy your most convincing sorry.
You're fired.
Oh, for f***'s sake. Number 4. Do not forget to be considerate. Britain is trying to be more and more inclusive, and you'll find evidence of this all around. For example, on trains, there are signs dedicating seats to the elderly, the disabled, and the pregnant. So be aware and be readily available to give over your seat. Would you like the seat? Oh, yes, please. Okay. Oh. Number 5. Do not finish a shared meal without asking. This one is a bit of a subtle one. Most Brits will find it a bit too rude to grab the last piece on a plate. So don't presume that because it's there that nobody wants it. Ask around. I'm sure everyone's got their eye on it. Number 6. Do not forget to look right. This comes hand in hand with driving on the left. When you're in Great Britain, always make sure you remember to look right first. This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easyenglish. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easyenglish to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Number 7. Hello? Hello? Let me in! Let me in! I would like some beer! I want beer! Do not go out too late. You might find it surprising, considering the drinking culture in Britain, that our pubs actually close at 11 p.m. Now, don't think that's because we don't like to go out late, we just like to drink throughout the day. Most pubs will open at 11 a.m. Number 8. Do not miss out on our free museums. In Great Britain, you'll find that most of our museums are free to access. Just London, for example, has the following: the Design Museum, the National Maritime Museum, the Horniman Museum, the Imperial War Museum, the Museum of London Docklands, the Natural History Museum, the British Museum, the RAF Museum, Victoria and Albert Museum. Number 9. Do not stare. Staring is considered a bit rude unless you're going to smile or say hello or how are you at the end of it. So try not to hold your gaze too long, especially in London. What the f*** are you looking at? Number 10.
Hey, get to the back! What are you doing? Get to the back! You are been forward. Move it! Come on, what to see you do? Get out of here! Don't know the rules here.
Do not forget to queue. This one is a bit of a cliche, but for a good reason. Brits love to queue. It's one of our favourite pastimes. So get to the back and join in. Sorry! Number 11. Do not walk over a red light. Whilst this won't get you in trouble with the police, it's advisable that you don't do it. But you will see many pedestrians in Britain holding their hands out to stop traffic in mid-flow on a red light. But just because they're doing it doesn't mean you should too. And number 12. Hey, what are you doing? Move over! Over! Do not stand on the left side of the escalator. This one is an unwritten rule around Britain, apart from London, where you'll even see signposts for it. Stay on that right hand side so you can witness hundreds of Brits legging it up the left hand side, sweating to get home from work. Sorry! Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts on the video, if you liked it, if you'd like to see more of it, if you'd like to see a video about things you shouldn't do in a typical English pub, or if you have any other additional comments on things that you shouldn't do in Great Britain. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye! Meet Stand-in Mitch. Say hello, Stand-in Mitch.
Hello.